Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to Top Tips. Today's tip has to do with your ruler and centering. Now this happens to be the Tim Holtz ruler and it has this centering side. A lot of different rulers have this. You just may not realize you even have it on your ruler, especially if you have like a sewing ruler. I know a lot of guys use sewing rulers in their craft room. I'm trying to see if I have another one that has it. Yes, I do. The Cut-A-Line from Misty also has the centering. Oh, yeah, it does. I was going to say it didn't, but it does. The Cut-A-Line from Misty also has that zero in the middle there. What I want to do is show you how to use that little zero, how to find the center. Now, why might you need to find the center of something? You'd be surprised. If you're not very good with measuring math, which sometimes math, well, always math is my problem. I can pretty much do measuring. But if you're not real sure and you have a piece of paper that's maybe 2 1/16 or something like that, and you want to find the center of it, that's what this guy's for. So let me show you. I'm just going to sit this down on my page, and that's not the center. You can see that, and I want to show you how I know it's not the center. If you look to either side, you'll see that this measurement and this measurement are not the same. So when I look from 0, over here I get a little more than 1 1/8, and over here from the 0 I get a little more than 2 1/4. Okay, so it's not the center. Now it's kind of easy with a perfect square like this to kind of go, oh, I need to get into the middle. I need to move that 0 that way. But that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the 0 to the middle until the measurement on the right-hand side is the same as the measurement on the left-hand side. It's really easy to do, but it can be confusing. So here's my 0, and over here I'm at 2 inches. And over here I'm at 2 inches. So this 4-inch piece of paper, which is super easy to find the center of, but now I have found the middle, okay? Let me grab a scrap and show you how this works. So here's a scrap piece of something from a 6x6 pad I just picked up. I don't know the size of it. I'm not even gonna put it where I can see the size of it. And I wanna show you, let's say I needed to find the center of this scrap. Using my ruler, I would just lay it down onto the piece and I would move it until the measurement on both sides of the 0 is the same. So here, well, that just happened just like that. That's the center. And you can see, because here I'm at 1 3/4 and here I'm at 1 3/4. So that's how using your ruler to find the center is. You just want to make sure that you move your ruler into place until both measurements on either side of the 0 are the same. It's super simple. And then you can just make a little mark right here, or whatever you need to do, whatever reason you were looking for the center. Maybe you wanted to mount a focal point on the front of a card directly in the center. Like if I come back to this piece we used earlier and I find the center, maybe I want it to be at a certain spot. So I'll put this on my cutting mat in a nice square section. And then maybe I want to come 2 inches down. This is really specific, but maybe I want to come 2 inches down and find the middle. I can do that using this ruler. So now 2 inches down, this is the center. And maybe for some reason, I wanted to line my centimeter right there. Or maybe I wanted to make sure I had this guy in the center. See how I can match my center marks up, and now it's the same on either side. Pretty cool, right? I mean, you never know when you might need that feature, but that's how it works. The 0 in the middle, and make sure your measurements are the same on either side of the 0. I hope that helped. I hope that answered the zeroing question. So a little top tip. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have a giveaway going. When this channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a machine of your choice. A Cricut, a Brother Scanning Cut, a Silhouette. You get to choose it. So be sure to subscribe. And that way you won't miss any of our top tips. We put them out every Monday and Friday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.